Are you thinking about taking out a home equity loan, but you're not sure how much you can borrow? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how much you might be able to borrow on a home equity loan. First, let's define what home equity is. It's the financial sum of your home that you own outright. To determine the equity in your home, you subtract your outstanding mortgage balance from the value of your home. It's important to note that the calculation must include an up-to-date value to determine the equity in your home accurately. Now, can you borrow money from your home equity? Yes, you can borrow money against the equity in your home through a second mortgage, a home equity loan, or a home equity line of credit, known as a HELOC. But all of these are a type of secured loan that does put your home at risk. A home equity loan is a lump sum borrowed against your equity, which you then pay back plus fixed interest through immediate and ongoing monthly payments over a fixed term. The lender secures the loan against your equity, which means if you don't keep up with the monthly payments and repay the loan balance in full as agreed, the lender can force you to sell your home to take back their money. So how much can you borrow with a home equity loan? Most lenders allow you to borrow up to a maximum of about 80 to 85% of the amount of equity you have. For example, if you have £100,000 worth of home equity, you might be able to borrow around £80,000 to £85,000. Tops. However, this will depend on the lender and your personal circumstances. You might only be able to access a smaller percentage of your home equity. It's also important to note that there's a minimum amount you can access through these loans. Most lenders offer these loans with a minimum value of around £10,000, which means you'll need to have more than £10,000 in equity, considering you'll only be able to borrow against 80 to 85% of it. To accurately work out your home equity and how much the lender will lend you, they will need to revalue your property. This is called an appraised value, and is usually conducted by an estate agent on the lender's behalf. When an appraised value is needed, you may have to pay a fee, or the lender may cover the cost themselves. A home equity loan can be a good idea for some people. If you need a large sum of money and have a good credit score, a home equity loan might be a better option compared to other credit options. However, keep in mind that these loans require an assessment of your ability to make payments and repay in full, and the lender will check your credit score. A home equity loan can be a good way to access a large sum of money, but it's important to remember that it puts your home at risk. Most lenders allow you to borrow up to 80 to 85% of your equity, but the exact amount will depend on the lender and your personal circumstances. If you're interested in finding a loan for your circumstances, then simply click the link in the description and fill out the short form. It contains a few questions like whether you're a homeowner and how much you'd like to borrow, and it'll give you access to quotes from around the UK tailored to your circumstance. It's totally free to do, and of course, it won't affect your credit score. Click the link in the description and fill out the short form to try it out.